Hi, welcome to DP Pulverizer Industries. Today we have on display the DP Naiva machine, which is a knife granulator, and this machine is basically used to chop a variety of foods down to a feed from a feed size of approximately 40 to 50 mm down to a size of below 5 mm. So here we have the machine in front of us. So I'll take you through the basic working principle of this machine and also explain the basic parts. So here on the top we have the feed inlet from where the material enters the mill. Then we have the machine body. Then here we have the motor that drives the machine. Then here we have on display the screen that is used to size the particles, and also the easy access to the screen basket of the machine. So you can see that here are the knife blades. So in this model, this is a 3040 model, we have 3 flying knives and 2 stationary knives. So the material enters the chamber through this feed inlet and then comes into contact between these knives, as you can see here. So there's a rotating knife here and the stationary knife. So the material is cut between these two knives when the shaft rotates at a speed, and that's how the reduction takes place in this machine. We have a screen, as explained earlier, which is used to size the particles, and the material then discharges here from the bottom.